It's game night, and I hold all the cards with these must-have small appliances from Ninja. Let's start with the sweetest, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. I made ice cream, sorbet, and milkshakes. And I customized it for the competition by mixing in chocolate, nuts, candy, fruit, you name it. It's so easy to use, with just 3 simple steps. I prepared the base last night, let it freeze overnight, and processed it, just in time for dessert. There's no way this party is going to fizz out with the Ninja Thirsti drink system. It makes still and sparkling drinks with just the touch of a button. We created our own customized drinks by combining different flavor drops. The Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system serves smoothies in no time. I served all my guests with the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher. And I made some pretty mean pico de gallo with the 8-cup processor bowl. The Ninja Double Oven has the power of 2 ovens in the counter space of just 1. FlexDoor creates 2 separate ovens, so I put fries on the top and wings on the bottom. I'm on a roll. Level up your party with help from Ninja and Best Buy.